without being fined.
खदीजा आप जरा बताएंगी हमें क्यों फाइन लगा है इस बैग का?
Because this was supposed to be a check-in bag, and we didn't check it. So, or also it's so funny because पूरा दिन आज I was just happy about the bag.
You know every time you said कि अरे हो गया बेटा मेरा कुछ ना कुछ अलग हुआ.
So now we're sitting here, paid fucking 60
So guys,
pounds
पहले
for
सबसे पहले
that
ये story
bag.
ऐसे-
Do you know this? The suitcase has costed us more than the tickets. Literally. Oh my God, it's quite pleasant.
How are you feeling?
Let's go.
Hi guys, we're in Rome. So guys, we've collected the bag. Now we're gonna get some tickets to go to the hotel. I think so. I'm not sure.
No.
Are you getting the tickets for the bus?
Yes, I'm not sure.
We've got our bag.
I mean, we can take the Termini and then take the. This is just like.
I feel like it's going to be such a hassle.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
I mean, it's no. We take just 2 buses. I just need to know if we can get that.
But
like,
it says then you also have to do the 7-minute walk.
do you just want to take the?
I don't mind
taxi?
anything. तुम बताओ. So let me give you guys some context. ये मेरी friend खदीजा है.
ये मेरी friend Khatija. You just call me a friend.
Shut up. और इसने ना
Shut up.
इसने इतने serial बुरे decisions लिए ना इस trip में कि she is no longer allowed to plan anything.
Shut the fuck up, you bitch. मेरी बात सुनो. जो पहला serial decision था ही नहीं वो. What? What are you saying? If you have to give me a script, just give it to me. What are you saying?
No, you continue.
हाँ, जो सबसे पहला सीरियल डिसीजन था वो डिसीजन नहीं था, वो मिस्टेक थी जो आपने भी नहीं देखी और मैंने भी नहीं देखी. ठीक है?
आप जरा बताएंगे वो mistake क्या थी?
कि हम 10 kg का
Ben,
check-in bag.
मैंने तो भी जब हम लोग एयरपोर्ट पे थे मैंने तुम्हें 3 बार बोला मुझे टिकट भेजो. तुमने कहा क्या जरूरत है?
तो तुमने जब बोला था जब हम सब कुछ
Okay, I just want to tell you guys कि इसने हर
Do we get off right now?
No, it's a long road.
Yeah. This is halfway through and we're now gonna go to the
इसको
Argentina
खुद
road.
कुछ भी नहीं पता पर ये उसको भी सही बता रही है अपनी तरफ से.
For
ये ना
that-
इस बस में एक बंदा है वो हमारा बेस्ट फ्रेंड बन चुका है
Okay.
और वो
Are you
हमें
a
बता रहा है
tourist?
रास्ते.
Are you a tourist?
No, I live here.
You live here? Oh.
10 years. The most convenient.
गाइस ये बस में बैठ के उससे पूछेंगे कि बस लेनी चाहिए या कैब और अभी हम कहाँ जाएं.
Makes sense.
Hi guys, serial bad decision
She changed
by
the video
Khadija.
because she called me boring.
I didn't want to out you. I can call you.
What do you mean out me?
That's
It's
that's
my
your.
caste. It's not like a cult that I've joined. I don't want you to.
तुम्हारा
out
बचपन
me.
से नाम यही है. अच्छा whatever. So getting back to Khadija's bad decisions, ठीक है?
This was
मैंने
not a
इस
bad
बंदी को
decision.
clearly.
I cut your trip short in 15 minutes and now we're taking an Uber.
Now we are stranded at this road. Please everybody look. ये लिटरल भूत बंगला लग रहा है, ठीक है? इस मतलब पूरा टूटा हुआ है और इस
We're
बंदी
not
को ना
stranded.
कोई
Trust-
खौफ
this is
कुछ भी
not-
नहीं है.
This is not like hell.
I just want you guys to see this area.
And it's 11 p.m. Any area would look like that. Even London would look like that.
No,
Yes.
no, stop downplaying it.
Our ride is coming, so shut up. You want me to tell you what car is coming?
Anybody who is friends with
Toyota
Khadija and is
Prius.
watching, please don't let her make decisions for your trip.
Listen.
You
will be so
will end up
grateful.
like this.
You will be so grateful when we get to the hotel because that's also a decision made by me and I don't want to jinx it.
मैं सबको बोलना चाहती हूँ कि इसने जो ये लोड किया है इसका अंजाम हम होटल जाके देखेंगे. So I give you some context. Khadija told us to take the bus and we took the bus late at night and it was really really scary. उसने बस ने हमें पता नहीं कहाँ पे उतारा था, हमें कोई आइडिया नहीं था, हम एयरपोर्ट वाली ही एरिया में थे और खदीजा इंसिस्ट कर रही थी कि हम एक और बस ढूंढें, पर जहाँ पे वो लेके जा रही थी उधर बस स्टॉप भी नहीं था. एंड देन आई वाज लाइक वी नीड टू टेक द उबर, आई डोंट केयर. फिर इसने ना फाइनली हमें उबर, पता है हमें लग भी नहीं रहा था कि उबर आएगी, ठीक है. और इस सब के दौरान ना ये अपनी होटल के डिसीजन के बारे में ग्लोट कर रही थी, जिसकी मतलब मैं आपको बता नहीं सकती. जब हम पहुँचे तो द AC wasn't working, there were so many issues and then they ended up changing our room the next day. So every time इस पूरी वीडियो में you see her talking about something highly, trust me it was the complete opposite throughout. किसने क्या बुक किया?
We will not discuss this until we're actually.
But this was a bad decision. रात के 11 बज रहे हैं और हम इधर फंसे हुए हैं because of one person. और just by the way, इसको मैंने कहा कि उस साइड पे बस स्टेशन, मुझे लग रहा है बस स्टॉप है, ठीक है. She made me walk all the way there. हम लोग इधर गए तो पूरा खाली रास्ता था और कोई बस स्टॉप नहीं था और इसने इतने कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ मुझे भेजा था कि वही है
€1 की है और जो अभी हम उबर ले रहे हैं वो €35 की. That's a lot of money.
Khadija, but at least we will get home safe.
This is also safe.
You're stranded on a road.
Akasha, I think we've been in worse situations.
Thanks
We
to
were
your
also-
decisions.
Not right now. I'm talking about that time in Colchester. I'm talking about that time in Bath. I'm pretty sure there was something in Bath that we didn't do right.
Khadija got fined £100, guys. That's what happened to her. हाँ ये और इसका ये पंखा.
Come close to me. I'll fan you.
मेरे ब्लॉग को फैन करो. खदीजा तुम्हारी उबर कहाँ है? तुमने कहा 3 minutes.
आ रही है ना? It's a white Prius.
उसे रिजेक्ट तो नहीं कर दी?
Why?
ओ ये वाली तो नहीं है? Guys, I think that's the Uber.
Hello.
अबे अंकल क्या कहना चाह रहे हैं?
Hello, hi, how are you?
हाय. खदीजा ये बैग तो
ले रहे हैं ना?
नहीं, हमें इसको हेल्प करना चाहिए. बड़ी बात
Sono
है.
io che sto chiamando. Closet.
Okay. Thank you.
That's one of my
I don't
good
like you.
Ok.
Thank you.
Eccolo.
Oh my God, can you
Grazie.
stop?
Grazie, gentilissima.
There's way too much white light. I don't like it.
Khadija, what did you say?
Oh, you just want me to repeat what I said, so it's completely scripted. Okay.
What did you say?
I said because you were complaining about the fact that this is so much better, and I said that you're such a fucking travel princess. This is not how you do Europe. Not like I know how to do Europe, but like generally, it's supposed to be like a little bit, you know,
Dangerous?
easy. And yes, you just took away my punchline. There's a way to deliver a story. You just took it all away from me. Fine, whatever.
Guys, now we're gonna get home safely.
Idiot.
ये ना आएगा.
No. ये हम नहीं बैठ के एडिट करेंगे पहले. No more scripted shit for your vlog. ये पता है क्या कह रही है अभी पीछे कह रही काट दूंगी. But अच्छा तो मैं बताती हूँ अभी क्या हुआ था.
कि ये जो बंदा है जो गाड़ी
No,
चला
that's
रहा
why
है.
you don't script shit like that. मैं बताती हूँ.
कौन सी लैंग्वेज में
No,
बात
but
करता
I'll
है?
say it in a nicer way. Na? This is part of the vlog where I'm vlogging. So अभी मैंने and I can't say this in English. नहीं, but उसको तो समझ ही नहीं. No, sorry, wait. So I just asked कि मैंने पूछा
उसने कहा ना उसको नहीं आती.
नहीं मुझे रिस्क नहीं लेना भाई. तो मैंने अभी उस बंदे से पूछा कि यार डू यू नो
ये बंदा
जो गाड़ी चला रहा है
मैंने
कि Why would you? So weird. कि भाई हमें ये देखना है कि कोई grocery stores होंगी या नहीं है कुछ. तो उसने कहा कि I don't speak English.
तू क्या? You just
I forgot. So I turned around to Akash and I asked कि कौन सी language में बात कर रहा होगा? Because I completely forgot that we're in fucking Rome. Oh my god. It should have been there. It was funny then.
Ecco qua.
Thank you.
Ciao.
Ciao. Hi guys, this is our hotel.
There's the one
Looks
with
pretty.
the name on it.
Wait. Who's Ema? Okay. This is the hotel. Looks gorgeous.
ये वाला car.
Which one is it?
I think